the beginning. Long before time had a name, there was the realm of the Oni and the Dragon. Dragon had the power to create. The Oni had the power to destroy. Their war was never ending.
So much for the ninja.
Did you see that then? Lord Garmadon single-handedly destroyed it. He's the real hero.
Brave little girl you are. Where are your parents, child? Do you have a name? Well, aren't you the quiet one?
Then what do you want?
I want you to feel the emptiness that I feel! When your father is reborn, he won't be the man you recognize!